When you first unbox your Revster electric scooter, you'll find the scooter itself with a cable connecting to the throttle and handlebar, the stem tube, and a kit that includes a battery charger, a manual, tools needed for assembly, and the handlebar clamp. Begin by confirming the scooter is in the off position. Begin by installing the stem tube. To do this, press the push button at the top of the fork and lower the stem tube onto it. Be sure the locking button engages in the hole in the stem tube. Using the included 5mm hex wrench and 10mm wrench, tighten both bolts on the stem tube clamp evenly and securely. Next, install the handlebar, making sure to keep the throttle on the right side. With the handlebar centered, secure it with the handlebar clamp and 2 bolts. You can hand tighten the bolts for now. Then, use the 5mm hex wrench and 10mm wrench to tighten both bolts evenly and securely. Before tightening the handlebar bolts completely, rotate the handlebars so that the throttle button presses down. Then, finish tightening both bolts to ensure the handlebars are secure. There are 2 plastic clips attached to the throttle cable. These can be inserted into the 2 holes on the side of the stem tube to secure the throttle cable. Your Revster electric scooter is now fully assembled and should be charged for the recommended 12 hours before riding.